Good day. I am Malin Colunya, a BSTM student from City Danao, and I am pleased to present this business plan proposal for Isla Vista Travel and Tours. This proposal was developed in response to the growing demand for affordable, meaningful, and sustainable travel experiences in the Philippines, especially among students, young professionals, and families. This business plan discusses the company's background, objectives, market analysis, products and services, marketing strategies, operation, organizational structure, financial projection, and feasibility and risk assessment. Through this proposal, I am to demonstrate that Isla Vista Travel and Tours is a viable and sustainable tourism business with strong potential for growth and positive impact on the local tourism industry. This is the executive summary of Isla Vista Travel and Tours. It is a Cebu-based tourism business designed to offer affordable, culturally immersive, and eco-friendly travel experiences within the Philippines. The company focuses on domestic tourism, catering mainly to students, young professionals, and families who seek meaningful travel beyond mainstream destinations. The business emphasizes the cultural appreciation, environmental responsibility, and customer satisfaction by offering well-organized tour packages led by trained local guides. By partnering with local communities, Isla Vista Travel and Tours aims to contribute to local economic development while providing travelers with authentic Filipino experiences. Isla Vista Travel and Tours mission is to provide safe, affordable, and culturally enriching travel experiences that promote Filipino heritage, environmental sustainability, and responsible tourism. Its vision is to become a recognized local tour operator known for quality service, cultural integrity, and sustainable tourism practices in the Philippines. Its type of tourism business are cultural tourism, ecotourism, educational, and local adventure tours. The highlights are student-friendly and budget-conscious tour packages, strong focus on Filipino culture and heritage, community-based tourism partnerships. Expected outcomes would be stable income, repeat customers, and gradual business expansion. Now let's move on to the business description. The business name is Isla Vista Travel and Tours. It's located in Cebu City, Philippines, and the legal structure is sole proprietorship, which is registered with DTI and DOT. The business will be owned and managed by Malin C. Colunya, a tourism management student with foundational knowledge in tourism planning, customer service, and tour operations. The inspiration for Isla Vista Travel and Tours comes from the increasing demand for affordable, local travel and experiential tourism among Filipinos. Many travelers seek meaningful trips that allows them to connect with local culture rather than mass tourism activities. The goals of this business are for short-term goals, which is 1 to 2 years. 1. Establish brand identity in Cebu. 2. Successfully operate local and regional tours. 3. Build strong partnership with local suppliers. For long-term goals, which is 3 to 5 years. First, we have expand operations to other regions and the Philippines. Second, develop exclusive cultural and eco-tour packages. Third, become DOT accredited and highly rated online. For the market analysis, the Philippine tourism industry continues to recover and grow, particularly in domestic tourism. Social media influence and affordable transportation have increased interest in local destination, cultural tourism, and ecotourism experiences. The target market includes individual age 18 to 45. such as students, young professionals, and families. This group is budget conscious, prefer organized group tours, and highly influenced by social media. They value cultural experiences, nature trips, and visually appealing destinations. Now let's move on to the market size and growth potential. Cebu is a major tourism hub with easy access to nearby destinations, making it an ideal base for tour operations. The rising interest in local travel presents strong opportunities for small tour operators. Now we have the competitors analysis or SWOT. The business demonstrates key strengths through its affordable pricing, personalized store offerings, and emphasis on cultural immersion. However, as a new market entrant, the business faces challenges such as limited brand recognition and restricted startup capital, which may affect its competitiveness and marketing reach. Opportunities are evident in the increasing demand for ecotourism and potential for strategic partnership with educational institutions and local communities, which can support market expansion and service diversification. Now let's proceed to the threats of the business. Competition from established tour agencies and weather-related travel disruptions. The market gap for Isla Vista Travel and Tours targets budget-conscious travelers who want authentic cultural and ecotourism experiences with high cost. Now let's proceed to products and services. The service offered are day tour and overnight tour packages, cultural and heritage tours like festivals, historical sites, ecotourism trips like beaches, mountains, and nature parks, educational tours for schools and organizations, and customized private tours. The product features and benefits are organized itineraries with trained guides, affordable package price, safe and comfortable transportation, and cultural learning experiences. Moving on to the marketing plan, the branding and positioning, Isla Vista Travel and Tours is positioned as a reliable, youth-oriented, and cultural-focused travel brand. The marketing and promotional strategies are social media marketing on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Content creation like travel photos, videos, and testimonials. Partnership with schools and organizations. Referral and loyalty programs. The customers acquisition and retention are early bird discounts, repeat customer discounts, personalized customer service, and the sales channels are direct booking via social media, online travel platforms, and word of mouth referrals. Now let's proceed to the operations plan. The location and facilities would be small office or home office in Cebu City, online-based booking and customer support. Service delivery process would be customer inquiry, tour package presentation, booking confirmation and payment, pre-tour briefing, tour execution, and post-tour feedback. Staffing requirements, owner or manager, 2 to 3 freelance tour guide, and part-time administrative assistant. Partnership, transport local providers, local hotels and homestays, community tour guides. Health, safety, and quality standards. DOT safety compliance, emergencies procedures, customer satisfaction monitoring. Let's proceed to the feasibility and risk analysis of the business. The business feasibility are easy to manage operations via online booking and direct client communication. Strong local tourism demand in Cebu, culture, nature, budget-friendly trips. Sole proprietorship allows fast decisions and cost control. Freelance guides plus least transport equals low fixed cost and flexible operations. The potential risk could be weather disruption, strong competition, demand fluctuation, and operational issues.
In conclusion, Isla Vista Travel and Tours is a well planned and sustainable tourism business created to serve the needs of modern Filipino travelers. It emphasizes cultural immersion, responsible tourism practices, and high quality customer service. By working closely with local communities and service providers, the business supports local livelihoods while delivering meaningful and authentic travel experiences. With the continuous growth of domestic tourism in the Philippines, Isla Vista Travel and Tours has strong potential for long-term success, positive industry impact. Thank you for listening to my business proposal.